The Renaissance is a French word which literally means new birth or revival. In Europe, between AD 14th and 16th centuries, the Renaissance came into existence. It came into existence especially in Italy when art, literature, and ideas of ancient Greece was discovered again and widely studied, causing a rebirth of activity in all these spheres. In broader sense, Renaissance of classical learning implies the transitional movement of Europe which changed the medieval outlook into the modern one. It was marked by humanistic revival of classical influence expressed in flowering of arts and literature and by beginning of modern sciences. In the Renaissance age, man inquired and explored rather than accepted anything in blind obedience to the authority. It was the critical approach of mind, this eagerness to find out the why of everything, which more than anything else shook the medieval world to its foundation. Hence, hence, the Renaissance is regarded as new birth of man's mind. It was a many-sided movement which was accompanied by changes in ideas and ideals of life. It is therefore aptly called the age of discovery of the world and man. Now, look at the causes of Renaissance and factors responsible for its rapid progress. The first factor which brought Renaissance was in the 14th century the contacts of Europeans with the Muslims and Byzantine civilizations, the commercial revolution with its interchange of goods and ideas, the new learning of 13th century that created a spirit of inquiry among the people, the rise of national monarchies and the growth of a wealthy, leisured middle class seeking prestige as patrons of art. Second factor which led to the birth of Renaissance was the medieval age predicted the coming of Renaissance. All along the 14th century, there was constantly appearing the eager desire which plainly indicated the coming change and revolution in the intellectual world. The forerunners of new spirit had attacked the abuses of society and thus created public opinion against medievalism. As early as AD 12th and 13th centuries, the Crusaders had awakened in the nations of Western Europe the spirit of new life. This spirit is especially visible in growth and development of literature in the European countries. The third factor, the era of discoveries and invention which began before the Renaissance movement also paved the way for this movement. The invention of the printing press facilitated the spread of Renaissance by placing in the hands of the people valuable books at cheap rates. The discovery of mariner's compass encouraged maritime activities and consequently widened the outlook of the people of Europe. The invention of gunpowder made the kings powerful and independent of feudal nobility and thus paved the way for the new spirit in the political thought. And fourth factor is the capture of Constantinople by the Turks in 1453 that gave great impetus to the Renaissance movement. The triumph of Turks drove the learned Greeks to seek new homes in Italy and other European countries. They brought their precious manuscripts with them. This caused the revival of interest in the old Greek text and in ancient law and philosophy. The revival of Italian cities is very closely related with the Renaissance. The chief cities of Italy, such as Florence, Genoa, and Venice, became the center of Renaissance. These cities were no longer the parts of the powerful empire but were independent city states. They were different from the other parts of Europe. The clergy were not politically powerful, not were the feudal lords. The rich merchants and bankers actively participated in the government. The Renaissance movement consisted of two distinct yet closely related phases. For example, the first was the revival of classical literature and learning, and second, revival of